Hello, I'm Stephen Fischer. I'm a writer, producer, director of live action and animated movies, and with Midwest Writers Workshop, a mentor in their mentoring program. Now, the mentors I've had in my life have opened doors inside of me, allowing me to go within and make discoveries that have enhanced my creativity, strengthened my awareness of myself, of the world around me. As a mentor, I try to do the same thing for writers like you. How might we work together to have doors inside you open? And what discoveries are you going to make that can enhance your creativity, enhance your understanding of self, of the world around you, of the characters and worlds that are in you? If you're open and interested to that kind of exploration, I hope you'll get in touch. I hope we can work together. I'd love to meet you, learn about your projects, and how I can help you tap into your full creative potential.